100% natural soap today, and this is going to be a goat's milk soap. I'm going to be doing kind of a pinky orange color. I like to call this one Awaken. It has lots of bright lemon scents in it, so it's got lemongrass, Litsea, orange valencia, and then a little bit of spearmint with that too. So I'm going to be doing something new. I'm going to be using rhubarb root. So I had it, here is some that I have going again, and I let this infuse. This is some of my olive oil, and then I shake it every few days, and this has been infusing for, gosh, 6 to 7 weeks or so, or at least that. So this is like what the funky color is, and I'm going to give it a swirl. Look how neon that's, like, look how bright that is, and that's just the olive oil portion of the batter that has been infused with rhubarb root. It is supposed to turn a beautiful shade of pink when you do the gel process. And with natural colors, natural soaps, plant-based colors, a lot of things like that, you do have to make sure it goes through gel phase to get those vibrant colors. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and you know, things can go funky sometimes. With this, another reason why it looks kind of funky is this has goat's milk in it. It's in the bottom, and you'll see it. Let me stir it up a little bit. So, because see that pretty goat's milk? So that's from one of our goats. And what I ended up doing is I did a 1-to-1 with my lye solution. So this is equal parts water, equal parts of the lye solution, and then I have basically double that liquid amount in here with my goat's milk. With my fragrance, I do have some rose clay in there to kind of anchor it. So this is my fragrance combined, rose clay in there, help anchor it. And then I have some madder root here. I'm going to pour some off, and this is going to be unscented. Going to put some drop swirls in. Hopefully it'll show up with the goat's milk. I have found that, because I typically use powdered and I reconstitute it, and I can get a whiter color with that, where I find that the milk from our goats tends to turn things a lot darker, a lot more yellow. So I'm planning on, you know, kind of having more of a peachy pink color with that. And then I'm going to be using my Handmade. I'm going to make a wooden one of these days, but I've got a Handmade corrugated plastic mold with silicone mat. Once I pour this, it'll cold process, oven process, and then I will pop it in the freezer to get it out of this mold. So I think I have everything ready to go. It'll be a pretty quick pour on this, but oh, and because I have extra with the liquid content, I usually use 1.5 times liquid to my lye solution. I will have extra soap, so I'm gonna pour off a little bit at the end. So anyway, I'll blitz this first to get that goat's milk really good and incorporated, and then I will use my immersion blender to blend in the lye.